In this question, we are given that a conducting sphere of radius 10 cm has an unknown charge. If the electric field 20 cm from the center of a sphere is given by this value and points radially inward, we are required to find the net charge on the sphere. Again, to analyze the situation, it is better to visualize it. हमारे पास एक conducting sphere दिया हुआ है जिसकी radius 10 centimeter. So if r is the radius of the sphere, the radius is given as 10 centimeter or 0.1 meter. Now further we are given that if the electric field 20 centimeter from the center of a sphere, that means we are talking outside this at a distance x, where x is 20 centimeter or it is 0.2 meter. It is always useful to immediately transform the units for calculation, नहीं तो गलती होने के भी chances रहते हैं. यहाँ पे at a distance x outside the sphere, the electric field is in radially inward direction, and the magnitude of electric field is also given to us as 1.5 into 10 to the power 3 Newton per Coulomb. Very first inference we can have, as electric field is radially inward, that means the charge on this sphere must be negative. क्योंकि अगर charge positive होता तो electric field radially out होता. So first thing we can infer here is charge Q, अगर हम Q मानते हैं charge को, on a sphere is negative. पहला inference तो ये निकल गया. Or we know well outside the metal sphere, electric field is given as, already हम theory lectures में पढ़ चुके हैं, outside the metal sphere value of electric field is given by 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into q by x square. This kq by x square, the formula we already studied. और यहाँ इलेक्ट्रोस्टैटिक कांस्टेंट में अगेन वी आर टेकिंग रिलेटिव परमिटिविटी एज 1, क्योंकि हम बाहर एयर अज्यूम करके चल रहे हैं. सो अगर हम यहाँ पे न्यूमेरिकली वैल्यू कैलकुलेट करें, क्वेश्चन में हमसे पूछा गया नेट चार्ज ऑन द स्फीयर. सो यहाँ पे q का वैल्यू हमारे पास आ जाएगा, द वैल्यू ऑफ q इज e मल्टीप्लाइड बाय एक्स स्क्वायर मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 4 पाई एप्सिलॉन नॉट. So again numerically value substitute करें, value of E we are given with 1.5 into 10 to the power 3 multiplied by x square. X we can take as 0.2 whole square, and the value of 4 pi epsilon naught we can substitute as 1 by 9 into 10 to the power 9. So it is a simple numerical calculation. If you evaluate, this will give us 6.67 into 10 to the power minus 9 coulomb. So हमारे पास जो charge की value है, as we already inferred that the charge is negative and magnitude also we have calculated by this relation, is minus 6.67 into 10 to the power minus 9 coulomb. That's the result of this problem.